Welcome back. This is an update to the previous video that I posted. I was going to sell these night drive TV headlights, and I'm not going to be doing that. I got to hang on to them because I'm going to be upgrading them to the new version he has out. And I'll need some of the parts off of those to do the upgrade, so they aren't for sale. Sorry about that. Sorry about any confusion. But it is what it is, and I am not selling them, so we're going to go in and do some modifications to the Corvette today. Been having some rain off and on. Just had a cloud come over, dumped a big raindrops. So we're going to go back in the garage where it's nice and dry. Get my flag untwisted here. There we go. And we're going to raise the back end of it up a little bit. Nice day to be in a garage, isn't it? Play with this thing. Have you ever seen such a pathetically dirty undercarriage? Man, I just hate seeing that. I really do. But we gotta do some cleaning now, so that's where we're headed. Time to get these things in use. I even painted them purple. See if I can figure this out. Wrong way.
You kept a cool head in a crisis situation.
Give me a sec. I'm sorry that I wasn't funny.
I think that was the right way.
Rerun didn't start off that funny.
Well, thanks for saving the boy and not holding it against me that you were fired from teaching. If you're looking for a real job, you ought to consider a career in propane. You know, this whole humor fad is pretty much on the way out.
Sorry about that.
Good job, Roger. You know, I want to apologize.
Alright, I marked this little lobe here. We're going to go up one turn. I guess it might help to use the right one. There's two different sizes, one small, one bigger. This one's the bigger one. Almost there. Alright, there's one full turn. Yeah, we'll try that first. We'll try that first. Guess I should have measured that before I did it, huh? We'll go with one turn. Alrighty, I think this is where I ran into problems last time, wasn't it? Trying to tighten it. That's tight. That is tight. We got one full turn. I got it somewhat cleaned up. I mean, I'm not going to go hog wild on it, but just so disappointing seeing all that dust and stuff in there. Alrighty, these front ones are a little bit more difficult to get to. I decided to give these a half a turn lower. So we'll see how that goes, whether that happens or not. I had a red spot. Okay, yep. There's my red spot on this side over here. Let's go half a turn if we can get in there. There's my red mark. So we're at half a turn. Hopefully I went the right way. I think I did. I think I did. This is what I mean, that these front ones are a little more difficult. One way they work great, the other ways they're a little bit snug. There we go. They're tight and ready to roll. That wasn't too bad. Better than I thought it would go. And we're cleaning. I hate this. I hate this country road. I really do. Oh well. That's gonna do it for this video. I went a half a turn lower on the front and 1 full turn higher in the back. I mean, it's not settled right now, so this isn't what it's going to look like. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. Short and sweet. I went up. I lowered the front end about a half a turn, and I raised the back end a full turn. And it's not going to sit like this permanent because I haven't driven it yet, but we're going to see how it goes. Next time I get it out, then I'll see how it is. I may bring the back end up just another smidge, but that's the way it's going to be for now until I get it out. So one last thing I had to do before I left the garage today. This coolant return line, I had to change it, but luckily I had one that's already bought. But I had a silicone one on like this, and it kept leaking right here. Right at that fitting there. So I decided I'm going to change it because I get tired of sealing that thing all the time. The clamp just doesn't hold it for some reason. And I've had nothing but trouble with those silicone hoses once I bought them, so I got rid of all of them pretty much, except for that one now. I got one left. Oh, 2 left. But I got replacements for those 2. So that's over and done with, so hopefully I won't have any more leaks. Later. Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry about that Night Drive TV headlights. I misunderstood his video when I watched it, and I'm going to have to keep them to upgrade them, I guess. So sorry I put that on for sale, but it's not. They aren't not for sale anymore, so I'm keeping them. Going to upgrade them to the red, blue, and green. So sorry about that. Here's the old hose. This is the end I had a hard time getting to seal. So hopefully we won't have a problem anymore. This is the other end. But anyway, I'll never buy silicone hoses again. So that's going to do it for this video, like I said. So as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and most of all, stay grape, and we'll talk to you later.